Hey guys, I'm Sean here at Orbs, and I'm going to be running through time-weighted average price. Just a quick tutorial on how to use it and how it can help you guys trade and hopefully save some costs. So right now I'm in just the standard swap page of SpiritSwap, and we'll go ahead and look at a transaction from Rat Phantom to Orbs. We'll go ahead and click Max here, and what you'll see down here is we're actually losing and or having a price impact of negative 4.4%. And we're actually losing, over $50, which is pretty substantial and something we definitely want to avoid, especially on Phantom where gas prices are already very, very low. So what you'll see here is you'll have your traditional swap limit and limit sell orders on SpiritSwap, and then you'll also have your TWAP button now. So you'll go, once you're in here, you just select this like you do any other swap. You select your source to your destination. So again, we're going from Wrapped Phantom to Orbs. And for the purposes of this trade, we'll go ahead and click Max. Everything in the UI will auto update as you make changes to the order, so you can always reflect and see your balances and what everything will look like. So let's go down to the options here, starting with limit price. For the purpose of this video, we won't be setting a limit price, but essentially what this does is if you can set the order to not execute unless, one Rat Phantom is equal to 9 orbs. And again, you can see an update here in the UI. But essentially, so this order will just exist and not be filled until this is equal or above, 1 Rat Phantom equals 9 orbs. Again, we're turning it off for this trade, but now you know how it works. Trade intervals is the amount of trades that you want to happen. So, for example, you might, if we look through here, you can see an update down here. So like each one of these trades that are executed will be $105. You can continue on here all the way, I think, till around like $10. And you'll see the pop-up here that the minimum trade size of using TWAP is $10. So please be aware of that. Your trade will not execute unless it's $10 or more. But for the purpose of this trade, I think a good place is around $100. Should eliminate the slippage. We'll go with 92 here. Max duration, this does need to be set. This is the total amount of time that this trade will run for. So if you set it in for 30 minutes, it's running for half an hour. If you're running in for 60, then it's running for an hour. And then down here you have trade interval. Again, max duration has to be set. Trade interval is how many trades you want to happen over the course of the trade. So say you wanted more, trade interval is the minutes between between trades. So if I wanted it to execute every day or every month, essentially you could potentially dollar cost average with trade interval, or you could set up more sophisticated trading strategies that someone might have in mind. In this case, we'll just go ahead and click. We'll do like 20 minutes, I think is a good trade, and we'll go ahead and so the first prompt that you'll get will be to approve tokens. I've already approved my Rat Phantom, but just make sure that when you approve the tokens, you set the gas to high or aggressive, as it helps, as sometimes your transaction may fail if you do not. We'll go ahead and place the order. We can confirm the transaction here, ensure everything looks good. And then we will accept the disclaimer. Feel free to read it through on how TWAP works and what you're responsible for. And then we'll go ahead and click confirm. You're going to pop up here in MetaMask. We'll go ahead and click high gas fee just to ensure that it is going through, and click confirm. Go ahead and give it a few seconds here. As you can see, my MetaMask is popping up, or maybe you can't see, but my notifications is telling me that it was that the transaction was approved. If it will reflect here. Go ahead and give it a refresh. And yeah, there we go. Now we can see the open order here. And this will execute as the parameters that we set. Hope you guys really enjoy this feature. We're really excited about it over here at Orbs. And be sure to just hop in our Telegram, Discord, and I think we'll also be around the SpiritSwap Discord if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.